Hi guys, I want to show you something amazing, sumptuous, so delicious for the new year. Now in my bowl, I measured 1 cup of flour, just 1 cup for this video. I also added my flavor, 2 teaspoons of my flavor. I use vanilla powder and a teaspoon of yeast. I don't want it to be too fluffy. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of sugar. I don't want it to be too sugary, just moderate. And also added a teaspoon of butter, and then I mix with my hand gradually, first without water. I have to mix it gradually and make sure that everything is well incorporated. At this point, I want to plead with you, please like this video, encourage me by liking, click the like button, drop your comments. Where are you watching from? I added a pinch of salt, and for this quantity I'm using 1 cup of water, and I'm adding it in bits gradually. You can see it the way I add. I was so excited doing this video because it's one of the things I long to eat, and finally I decided to produce it. Now at this point I want to transfer it to the table for proper kneading. So if you are doing it for sale, you can do a bigger quantity. So I transfer to the table and then sprinkle some dry flour for proper kneading. And your dough must not be soft, too soft. It should be strong. It shouldn't be too soft like bread. It's not just normal fluffy agege bread. This is just beautiful roll for our enjoyment. And after kneading for a while, this is the roll, and now we're going to allow it to rest for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes. You cover it with clean towel or whatever you want to use it to cover for good 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough has kicked a little, so I'm going to press it down and then sprinkle my flour, cut it for, into 2. And you're going to see how many is going to give us. So many. So it's actually very good for commercial purpose. If you want to sell it, you can do it. And you can see that the ingredients I use are very small. For my filling, I just bought corned beef and fried it with an egg, so it will give me that beautiful taste. Now if you are doing it for commercial purpose, you can use normal beef, grind it and add your flavor, spice it off the way you want it, and it should be affordable. So for my filling, because it's for my family use, I just bought corned beef and egg, put it together, fried it, add some spices, and I'm using it. So you can use fish also. Some persons use fish. For me, I want it more delicious, and I love it because everyone around me was so happy and excited when they tested these rolls. Now you have to ensure that you cover it very well. You have to seal it, the joints, very well. The way I'm doing it, you ensure that it is well sealed, and you place the down, you turn it upside down so that the joint will face down. That way it will not open during baking. Now so many fry this roll. For me, I choose to bake to avoid excess of oil. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more bread baking and small shops like this I make and upload every day. Now this is the other part of the dough and ready to roll. You have to do it, repeat the same process as many as you want it. Repeat the same process. Make sure that is tightly locked so that it will not open while frying or while baking. I choose to bake, as I said earlier. I was surprised that 1 cup of flour gave me so many rolls that the whole family enjoyed it, and I also shared it with my neighbors. I'm so excited to prepare this. I hope you will love it also. Now you have to egg wash it to give it that golden brown, and the end product is wow, beautiful, sumptuous. You can see how it is glowing. And so I decided to test it. I first of all broke it open to see what is inside. It was so hot because I just brought it out from the oven, and it was hot. So I decided to take a bite to see whether it's okay or not. and it knocked my head. It was so delicious, amazing. I tell you, I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.